Hi everyone, this is DEX List. In this video, we'll break down how DEX List AI works. A platform that pulls token data from hundreds of blockchains, analyzes charts, and tracks what influencers and traders are saying on Twitter. The key feature here is sentiment analysis. DEX List doesn't just count mentions. It detects the tone, positive, negative, or neutral. Then we combine that with technical analysis. The result? Patterns that highlight which tokens are actually gaining traction and where the probability of movement is higher. Let's start with the top tokens section. Here you can see which coins are alive and moving, and which ones are already fading. DEX List collects on-chain metrics, liquidity, volumes, holder activity, and adds sentiment analysis on top, meaning if a blogger or a caller is heating up a token on Twitter, DEX List tracks it and shows how it could impact price action. So you don't just see a price chart, you see the emotions and narratives around the asset. And more often than not, that's what triggers the next pump or dump. This overlap gives early signals before they're visible on standard charts. If the community starts pushing a token and technicals confirm the move, your chances of catching the trend from the very start go way up. And the best part? You can throw any token into your watch list and build a strategy directly on top of this data. Now let's dive into a specific token. The focus here is the chart and how it reacts to influencer attention. You can literally see who posted, how fast traders jumped in, and where the candle went. Adding influencers to your watch list is just 2 clicks. From there, you can launch trading strategies based on these signals. Which brings us to the next part. Signals and strategies. This is the core of DEX List. The signals and strategy section is the brain of the platform. We've built strategies that merge sentiment, what's happening on Twitter, with technical indicators. Take sentiment surge, for example. This one tracks sharp spikes in token mentions on Twitter. When a coin suddenly starts trending, the algorithm detects the surge and signals. Enter or take profit. But it's not just looking at tweets. We filter it with price action, volume, and trend strength, cutting out fake hype with no real movement. Then there's Twitter growth. While sentiment surge focuses on sudden bursts, Twitter growth looks long-term. How community interest grows over time. The algorithm measures audience expansion and activity around a token. A steady climb equals traction building, and often the market hasn't priced it in yet. Combined with TA, this strategy reveals whether there's real ground for a move, not just a one-time pump. Every strategy comes with numbers: win rate, average PNL, drawdown. You can backtrack trades to see how it actually performed over time. And yes, you can customize everything: take profit and stop-loss levels, Twitter analysis window, multipliers. So you don't just get plug-and-play signals. You get a strategy builder, where you can design your own setup, tailored to your trading style. DEX List isn't just a token screener. It's a full trading engine. Analytics, signals, and automated strategies powered by influencer flows and TA. Crypto trading today is a game of algorithms and smart systems. Our sentiment analysis plus metric overlays let you spot signals early and act on them systematically. Yes, there are plenty of bots out there, but unique sentiment-based market patterns? Nobody showed that before. DEX List does it transparently and takes trading to the next level. Bots are everywhere. Patterns like this only on DEX List. Follow our work log on Telegram and stay tuned for updates. Take care and see you inside DEX List.